Hello guys, so I'm going to show you how to find your comments on Canvas. It can be a little bit difficult. I really don't know why. It's not hard on the teacher side, but it can be hard on the student side. So let's say that you turned in an essay and you got a grade back and you don't see any comments on it, but you have a number grade in your grade book. I promise you there are comments on it, but you have to do this specific thing. Go back to the essay that you turned in. So for this one is like a poetry essay, your final draft. Go back to where you turned in your essay, and then you'll see this over here that says submitted, submission details, download. Don't click download. That's just going to download the same essay that you already turned in. Click on submission details. And then you get to this page and it looks like the comment should be here where there's a comment box. They are not. The comments are under this tiny little hyperlink that says view feedback. Don't click on this. Again, that will just download the same essay that you already had. So click on the view feedback thing and it opens it up in a really tiny box. You can click on this to make it bigger. Yeah, so this is where you're going to find your feedback. So you can see the little comments that I put in. You can see highlighting, you can see, highlighting, underlining, like this is where all of the comments are. Yeah, I know. I don't know why it's so difficult to get to, but once you know, now you know, go back and look at all of the comments for the whole semester because all of your assignments that you turn in, that you wrote on at all, I promise I put comments on, but this is how you find them. All right, guys, bye.